Happy Monday, my friends. Welcome back to another job lead video. We are starting another week off with trying to find the best work from home jobs for you. I post daily job leads that are all remote work from home. So if you are not subscribed and have your notifications turned on, please do that. Now, this one is 3 different positions for the same company, Snack Magic, and they are hiring global, so this one is good for all of my international folks out there, so that's why I thought I would share. It is a little bit harder for me to find the international global work from home jobs. Right now, the United States just has an overabundance of positions open, and I'm not as familiar with the international market. Everything that I am finding is more on the software developing engineer side, but if you would like me to share those, please leave in the comments down below and I will start doing that. So let's just jump on in. Like I said, Snack Magic has 3 different positions open that are all hiring remote from home global, and they are a snack and gifting service. So they make snack baskets and all that you can order online and send to people as a gift, almost kind of like having candy baskets or fruit baskets delivered. So if you're trying to find a gift for a baby shower, that's the kind of business Snack Magic is in. They are a rapidly growing startup company, and so they are looking in this first position for a brand and marketing designer. Now, all 3 of these positions do not require a actual degree. They only require some experience. It says you'll be working in a fast-paced environment where constant shipping new products and features to our customers. So they're looking for individuals who's willing to learn and can work independently. They do a contract to hire. So you have a 3-month contract, and then after your 3 months, you'll be evaluated for a full-time role. So in this position, you'll expand the Snack Magic brand to help bring new ones to life. You'll collaborate with the sales, marketing partnerships, and customer success to create branding collateral, including social media, images, sales, partnerships, web graphics, email, newsletters. You'll own the creative and design execution of those projects, and you'll become the touch point for all communications for the Snack Magic brand and assets with external partners. Now, for this position, they are asking for 4 to 7 years of professional experience working at agencies or in-house creative teams, and proficiency in Photoshop and Keynote and Google Docs. They do want someone who has an interest in food and snacks. Hey, that's me. I like to snack all day long, and they're asking that you have the availability to work in the Eastern time zone. While they don't include salary for this position, they do say that they offer a competitive salary and an onboarding package for the right candidate. This next position does not require quite as much experience. They are hiring a product manager. And so what a project manager will do is own the end-to-end product development process from the concept to the launch of the product, and you'll need to get user feedback. You'll work closely with leadership, design teams, marketing to bring your product idea to life, and you'll maintain the product roadmap for your area. For this one, they're only asking for 1 year of relevant work experience, and it says previous product management experience is not required. They want someone who has strong organizational skills with outstanding attention to detail, desire to collaborate in a cross-functional setting, and again, availability to work in the Eastern time zones. And the 3rd position they have open is a product designer. And so just like what it says, you will lead the design team for one of their verticals. You will mentor and give feedback to the other designers in the team. You'll work with products to translate user needs and business requirements. And you'll design from concept to the end, including sketching, wireframing, user flows, mock-ups, prototypes, your designs. Now, this one does require 4 to 8 years of professional experience. It just says professional experience, so that could be anything in the professional field. and you will need to have solid understanding of design principles and, again, ability to work in the Eastern time zone. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I will continue to keep my eye out for any job leads that are hiring globally, although they are harder for me to come by right now. If you have any specifics of what you're looking for, please leave them down in the comments below, as I always keep my eye out for things that are helpful to my viewers. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.